to Just About Any Food. Today I will be making some Jamaican oven jerk chicken wings. So I've already washed and cleaned my chicken wings with vinegar and lemon juice, and I will now season my chicken wings. So I'm using a total of three seasonings, and if you want to know the measurements that I use, you can check them out in the description box below. So now I'm going to go ahead and season my chicken wings. My hands are clean, so I am going to go ahead and rub the seasoning all together with the chicken wings. As you can see, my chicken wings are nicely coated with the seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and cover it and leave it to marinate for around 2 hours. Then I will come back to put them in the oven. So this is the rack that I'm going to set my chicken wings on before I put it in the oven. So I'm making sure to get all my season onto the chicken. You want to make sure to get all that good season onto your chicken because you want your chicken to taste so flavorful. So after which I'm going to pop the chicken into the oven and I'm going to bake it at 350 degrees, and I will continuously turn them until I get the desired color that I'm looking for and until the chicken is cooked. My oven jerk wings are now ready and I can't wait to dig in. But before, I want to tell you to go ahead and try this, try my method. And you don't have to wait on the summertime to do this on the grill. You can do it in your oven. So make sure to like my video, make a comment and tell me how you like my method, and subscribe and cook with love always.